How to download X videos. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open X on your device. Here, simply, I'm scrolling down and I want to download a video that pops up on my feed. So, to download the video, you can simply hold on to the video. You'll find download video option at the bottom. Click on it. You will need to get early access to download videos. Only premium subscribers can download videos. Press on subscribe today. And these are the basic, premium, and premium plus. Select the one you prefer. It's starting from $2. Get your premium and you will be able to download all the videos from X. This is how to download X videos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.